It was January 20th, and I needed to find a team fast. It took a lot of asking and a lot of begging, but eventually, we got the team! The theme was Tech for a Healthier Mind, so we instantly got to thinking, what can we as dumb sophomores even code? That's when we came across Flora. How Flora works is you set a timer, and while that timer goes, you're studying, and the tree will grow. But if you leave the app and stop the timer, the tree will die, and you will be sad. How Fauna works, on the other hand, is you set a timer, and while the timer goes, you're studying, and this egg will grow. And if you leave the app, you get the point. Then the day came. You know, it started as most things go. Index HTML, friends HTML. Oh, what was I doing? But then I was given my first real coding task. Coding the login. And I was cooking!
And what gave you the confidence?
Delusion?
Anyway, this is how things were looking. And that concludes day 1 for me. Okay, it was a long day, okay? Anyway, this is what the other people had done. So I'm back home now, and it seems like the main page is finished. I think Hojin did this, so let's see. I'm gonna set a timer for a minute. Start. Okay. Play music. Yo, switch. Okay, now I feel like dead weight. Why is... What? Okay, open mindfulness. Okay, that doesn't quite... Okay, it kind of works. I'm gonna have to do the styling for this. This sucks. Let me just wait. Oh, okay. I'm just gonna do it tomorrow because sleep is important. Okay, so I think this is what AR has done. Fuck. Then came the final day. And honestly, I was cooking! I turned this into this. And then I turned this into this. And then I just coded this because I wanted to. And now, it was done. But before I show the final product, this was judged in 4 criteria: creativity, code efficiency, user interface, and pitch. Welcome, judges. This is our app Fauna. So, this is the sign up. If I try to click the sign up button, it won't let me because I haven't filled out the fields. So, I'm gonna sign up with Brian Chang as my username. However, it doesn't work because I've already signed up using this username at different times. So I'm gonna make a unique username, BrianChang917. Now I'm going to log out to show you how to log back in. So as I click log out, now it sends me to the login page. If I put the wrong password, however, it won't let me. So let me put in the correct password because I want to start studying. Clicking start focus sends me to the study page where I can set a timer and study for that period of time. Now I'm going to click start timer and the timer will pop up, and when this timer ends, the egg will hatch. There's also this built-in mindfulness button in case you want to take a break from studying. However, if I leave the app to go on TikTok, for example, the egg will crack and your study session is over. Now let's see what will happen if you actually study for the entire time period. And when the timer ends, a randomly generated fish will hatch, and this encourages the students to study for the entire time period without getting distracted. Now, let me show you some of the other features in the navigation bar, such as this mindfulness button to take a break from studying, or the friends page to add your friends on this app to push each other through healthy peer pressure, or the settings page to customize your experience, and the statistics page to push you, to motivate you to work towards your goals. And that's our app Fauna. The judges had now seen our demonstration and were judging them alongside the other projects. What we were really afraid of were these team of seniors who had really good code but a basic concept, so no one really knew who was gonna win. The scores are back, and we got 53 out of 60. Not bad, but we weren't sure what good was. Yeah, that's our name, by the way. Okay, it's not that bad. Drum roll, please. And the seniors got 45.